On this episode, it's getting dusty. I put paint on the walls and I bring out the hammer. On the previous episode, I installed the electrical system and the plumbing in the floor. I insulated the walls and I made an electrical room. Next up are the bathroom walls. To install the drywall against the roof, I use a transmission jack that I normally use in the garage, but with a modified headpiece. Without it, I could not have done it by myself. Putting filler on the wall is a long and boring work, so I didn't film a lot during these days. This is my first setup for warm water in the bathroom. I had to change this later on, you will see this in the next video. In the bathroom I use drywall for high humidity rooms, therefore the green color. At the location of the shower I put a rubber sealant to prevent any water from ever touching the OSB panels. It's just an extra safety measure if ever the top layers would fail to repel the water. For the final layer I've chosen an off-white color. Underneath the tiles I used watertight sound deadening. The tiles use an easy click system which speeds up the process. That was it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, let me know in the comments what you think. Hit the notification button to stay updated for the next videos. Thank you for watching.